RMUTP Roundup
สวัสดีครับ Good afternoon and welcome to RMUTP Roundup on englishonline.rmutp.ac.th. My name is อาจารย์เกษมพุทธเรืองศรี your host for the program. RMUTP Roundup is a program broadcasted every Monday from 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. Latest news, events, and everything roundup from Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon will be presented in this program, and today we start with the news from Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon. Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon joins the screening of UBI entrepreneurs in the Lower Central Region to the Office of the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Higher Education, Science, Research and Innovation or OPS-MHESI Committee for the year 2025 to 2026. On May 1st, 2025, the Business Incubation Development Unit Research and Development Institute, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon, led by Assistant Professor Dr. Chantana Papattha, Deputy Director of Research and Development Institute, along with staff, led student entrepreneurs to join the screening of entrepreneurs of the Business Incubator Unit in Higher Education Institutions or UBI. The Lower Central Higher Education Network, fiscal year 2025 to 2026, 5-month round, second round, to the committee from the Office of the Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Higher Education, Science, Research and Innovation or OPS-MHESI at Saktip Krairek Meeting Room, the 80th Anniversary เฉลิมพระเกียรติ Building, December 5, 2007, Rajamongkol University of Technology กรุงเทพ This screening of entrepreneurs of the Business Incubator Unit in Higher Education Institutions or UBI was organized by the Office of Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Higher Education, Science, Research and Innovation or OPS-MHESI to promote the support, the use of research results, intellectual property inventions and creative innovations, develop and promote sustainable entrepreneurship from developing entrepreneurs in the form of small and medium enterprise or SME. They can create added value from technology and innovation to commercial development, ready to accept changes that occur and focus on responding to regional or global markets. By screening entrepreneurs from the Business Incubation Unit in Higher Education Institution or UBI in the Lower Central Region Network, there were 7 teams of students or 7 teams of entrepreneurs participating in the screening, consisting of 6 pre-incubator teams and also 1 more team. Those 6 pre-incubator teams are Green and Grain, a healthy bread product from asparagus, Luvember, an air freshener, Bubble Bites, a shampoo tablet, Vika, a fashion rental and upcycling shop, Natural Care, a hand sanitizer gel product from the Faculty of Business Administration, and Neri, a bag product from the Faculty of Architecture and Design, and 1 more startup incubation team, Young Mo, an art toy product from the Faculty of Science and Technology. This participation reflects Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon's commitment to promote the potential of new generation entrepreneurs using knowledge and innovation to develop business for sustainable growth, ready to step into the commercial market. Next, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon joins hand with Samsen Police Station and local agencies to create safe roads to welcome the new semester. On April 30, 2025 ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนครสามเสน Metropolitan Police Station government agencies and private sectors signed a memorandum of understanding on cooperation to implement road safety measure ประชาชนสัญจรปลอดภัย with Assistant Professor ศรัทธาแข่งเพ็ญแข Assistant to the President for Special Affairs as the representative for the signing. The signing ceremony was honored by Police Major General อัธพร วงศ์สิริปรีดา Commander of Metropolitan Police Division 1 who presided over the signing ceremony at the ช่อแก้ว Conference Room สวนสุนันทาราชภัฏ University. Assistant Professor ศรัทธาแข่งเพ็ญแข said there are many schools and universities along Samsen Road and a large number of students travel there, especially in May of each year, which is the first day of the first semester, which causes increased traffic congestion. In addition, there is a subway construction project on the road. Therefore, in order to create even more safety on the road, there is an arrangement to sign a memorandum of understanding on cooperation to implement road safety measure ประชาชนสัญจรปลอดภัย by campaigning for cooperation and creating traffic discipline, respect for traffic laws for road safety, which will be a model for people in the area and other areas. For Rajamongkol University of Technology พระนคร it is scheduled to open the first semester of 2025 divided into two levels of education, vocational certificate or ปวช opening on June 2nd, 2025 and bachelor degree on June 16, 2025. Next, the fifth Rajamongkol University of Technology พระนคร vocational certificate awarding ceremony on May the 1st, 2025 at 10:04 a.m. General Prince เฉลิมศึกยุคล preside over the fifth ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนคร Vocational Certificate Awarding Ceremony for the academic year 2024 at the เฟืองเหนือ Auditorium Faculty of Engineering พระนครเหนือ Center ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนคร Lieutenant General ชนรงค์กิจรุ่งโรจน์เจริญ Vice Chairman of the University Council acting on behalf of the Chairman of the Rajamongkol University of Technology พระนคร Council along with Dr. นัทวรพลรัตน์สิริวัชรบุญ President executives personnel and students welcomed the guests. This year Rajamongkol University of Technology พระนคร Council has approved 114 graduates of the vocational certificate of ปวช from the Commerce Vocational Certificate, Faculty of Business Administration and the Industrial Vocational Certificate, Faculty of Engineering. In addition, His Majesty granted scholarships and certificates of various categories as follows. 27 students with outstanding academic performance, 2 students with the highest academic performance received the Rajamongkol University of Technology พระนคร Medal, and students who received student scholarship, good academics, good conduct, vocational certificate level, entering to study for a bachelor's degree in the academic year 2025, 6 students. Students who receive scholarships for good conduct but lacked that fund entered to study for a bachelor degree in the academic year 2025, 7 students. After the vocational certificate award ceremony, General Prince เฉลิมศึกยุคล gave a royal address to the graduates of the vocational certificate level. ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนครpart of which said Education is a very important for life because it is a tool used to develop knowledge, abilities, and skills in life, especially vocational education that focuses on developing specific professional skills, which are basic professions for national development and preparation for entering higher education at the tertiary level. However, education alone is not enough for life after graduation because if there is a lack of morality, knowledge may be misused. In general, those who have knowledge can overcome others with wisdoms. If those who have morality use Dhamma to overcome their own minds, such as conquering evil, defilement in the mind. If you can overcome your own defilements, you will not behave wrongly and strive to do good and earn an honest living. If all graduates can conduct themselves firmly on the basis of these two morals completely, coupled with wisdom gained from diligent study, combined with knowledge and morality, will lead to success in life. It will also benefit from education to support society and jointly develop the country to prosperity in the future. The Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn is an educational institution located in the city center and has long-standing expertise in vocational studies. Originally, this institution was included in the Rajamongkol University of Technology, which was an educational institution that provided vocational studies. In the year 2005, the status was changed to an institution or to a university. Currently, it provides vocational certificate of PWC, bachelor degree, master degree, and doctoral degree. The vocational certificate of PWC program began teaching in the academic year 2015, promoting educational development in all dimensions, including the curriculum in develop human resources in the vocational fields of skill, technique, and technology. It also enhanced the skill of the target group to have competencies that meet international standards. Currently, there are 4 types of study: industrial studies, commerce, home economics, tourism industry, and fine arts, totaling 13 subjects. Next, encouragement for personal competing in the Tumpang Games. On April 29, 2025, Dr. Nat Worapol Ratsiri Vacharabun, President of Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn, gave encouragement to personnel participating in the 41st National University Personal Sports Competition or Tumpang Games and gave advice that everyone should be determined, do the best, compete with spirit, have sportsmanship, know how to lose, how to win, and know how to forgive, respect the rules of the competition, and have good friendship with fellow athletes from every university participating in the competition. Sending personnel to participate in this competition will not only create a reputation for the organization, but also enhance the health and well-being of the personnel. Next, study visit on marine engineering and innovation. On March 31, 2025, Assistant Professor Dr. Prin Bunkanit, Vice President of Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn, along with Colonel Bun Bunrit, Advisor on Public Administration and Organization, and the university executives traveled to study at the Marine Commerce Training Center in Mueang Samut Prakan District, Samut Prakan Province. ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนคร is interested in developing knowledge in ship system design and ship maintenance to apply in research, develop short courses on smart boats, and enhance the skill of lecturers and related personnel, including being able to transfer such knowledge to students and entrepreneurs in related industry effectively. Later, on April 30, 2025, a study visit on ship standards was held at the Ship Standards Office, Marine Department, Bangkok, with the university executives visiting the study. The university was honored to have Mr. Vibun Thirapapsakul Wong, Director of the Ship Standards Office, along with staff who welcomed the university and present information on marine engineering and innovation, ship inspection and ship equipment standards, which can be used to plan and develop knowledge in ship prototype design to meet the specified ship standards, to drive the planning approach for manpower production and smart boat production that the university is interested in. Next, architecture students create design works. ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนคร by students of the Faculty of Architecture and Design organized the ACT Arc and Design or the exhibition of artists and dissertation works for the academic year 2024, held from April 24 to 25, 2025 at Gateway at Bang Sue Shopping Mall. The event was honored by Assistant Professor Dr. Kinkan Pichakkana, Assistant to the President, who presided over the opening ceremony and said about the event that this exhibition demonstrates the abilities and professional skills of students in 3 programs: industrial product design, packaging, and painting design and architecture, through more than 40 exhibit works. All works use the student knowledge both in and out of the classroom to create new works. It also shows the students are ready to enter the labor market and with quality. Ms. Chachada Sinbua-Pong, President of the Student Organization of the exhibition, said that the exhibition of art thesis and dissertation works this year, the event is organized under the concept of pop art, an art that organized in the 20th century, which was characterized by using image or objects from popular cultures as inspiration within the event. The distinctive characteristics of the art are use of bright, flashy colors, simple forms, and fun, which are consistent with the works of students from the Faculty of Architecture and Design, the 4th year and 5th year students who brought them to exhibit this time. Meanwhile, Mr. Kritin Jangsanit, the owner of the project to study and develop a dry food waste disposal bin, said that household food waste is a problem that affects the environment and hygiene. Therefore, he held the idea to design the development a dry food waste disposal machine that can be used inside the home. This work focuses on designing a product that can be inserted into the food waste disposal machine and can be moved for more convenient use. The cabinet design can be divided into 2 parts. The upper part consists of the sink, and the back of the cabinet can be opened to see the operation of the machine. The lower part is the compartment for food waste. When there is a large amount of food waste that is disposed of, user can easily take it out of the cabinet and use it immediately. This work was inspired by current environmental problems and combined with knowledge from the classroom that aims to create work that people in general can actually use. Next, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon creates opportunities to make startups' dream come true and teams up with experts to develop innovations and research. Dr. Natwarapon Ratsiri Vacharabun, President of Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon, said that Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon is an education institution that aims to create opportunities for everyone to access knowledge sources, to create opportunities for self-development, to support the modern world, especially as a startup. Therefore, the Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon Business Incubator Center, or RMUTP UBI, which is currently under the supervision of the Research and Development Institute, aims to promote students who want to be entrepreneurs under the slogan, "The path to dreams to business ownership starts here." UBI is ready to make dreams come true for everyone. Which uses knowledge from research, academic services, innovations and technologies of Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon to make dreams come true for new entrepreneurs by adhering to the 5-area operational plan consisting of entrepreneurial skills. The university invites experts and professional experience to provide training on business models, finance, fundraising, and entrepreneurship laws using technology, marketing, and English knowledge. Dr. Natwarapon Ratsiri Vacharabun continued that in terms of knowledge, students will receive direct knowledge from expert lecturers in each field, such as the Faculty of Business Administration, Faculty of Home Economics Technology, Faculty of Textile Industrial and Fashion Design, Faculty of Science and Technology, who will act as consultants with the student team using the university's laboratories to experiment with product development, marketing plans, cost and profit calculations to develop the business. As for product and packaging design and communication, the student team will receive advice from the lecturer with specialized knowledge from the Faculty of Architecture and Design and the Faculty of Mass Communication Technology. Later, the creation of startup communities in architecture, business, tourism, digital media, food, fashion and textiles, art creation and networking are important to create entrepreneurs. A network of 9 Rajamongkol universities, the Food and Drug Administration, the development of intellectual property, original equipment manufacturer (OEM), or contract manufacturer or for company to sell under their own brands has been established. Finally, the goal is to push students to become startups and move towards becoming spin-off the new students who want to have their own businesses but do not yet know what products they want to make. So the student can come and view the research work that have been registered as intellectual property of the university to further develop the student's business. Associate Professor Dr. Chantana Papatha, Deputy Director of the Research and Development Institute, added that most recently, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakon has brought students to present business plans for the University Business Incubation or UBI Entrepreneur Screening Project in Higher Education Institutions or USI network of Lower Central Higher Education for the fiscal year 2025 to 2026. The Young Mo team students from Faculty of Science and Technology presented their art toy product through the selection process to the startup level. in which students will receive 200,000 baht in funding to further develop their business. In addition, 6 other student teams have been upgraded to pre-incubation. Team Green and Grain, a healthy bread product made from asparagus. Team Yogurt, a perfume product under the brand Glin Chan. Team Bubble Bites, a shampoo tablet products. Team Fashion Rental and Upcycling, a dress rental shop. Vika. Team Natural Care, a hand sanitizer gel product made from pomelo peel and coconut water from the Faculty of Business Administration, and Team Soulside, a bag product from the Faculty of Architecture and Design. These students will be role models for startups since they are students, and when they graduate, they will have their own businesses immediately. For those who have dreams and want to try to open up opportunities for themselves to be entrepreneurs in the academic year 2025, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn is opening applications for undergraduate students. Application with a vocational certificate or PVC and a higher vocational certificate or PVC can apply in the direct admission round 2, open for applications for now until May 12, 2025. For Mathayom 6 students apply through the TCAS system for round 3 admission and round 4 direct independent admission from now until June the 2nd, 2025. The university is accepting students from 9 faculty: Faculty of Industrial Education, Faculty of Home Economic Technology, Faculty of Mass Communication Technology, Faculty of Business Administration, Faculty of Science and Technology, Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Liberal Arts, Faculty of Textile Industry and Fashion Design, and Faculty of Architecture and Design. Interested person can apply online 24 hours a day at www.rmutp.ac.th or inquire at the Academic Promotion and Registration Office. Call 02-665-3777, extension number 6636-63707. And the time is up for today's RMUTP Roundup. Please join us on every Monday here on englishodline.rmutp.ac.th. Your host has been Ajahn Kasem Putta Rungsi. You are welcome to subscribe to our channel on englishodline.rmutp.ac.th. Thank you very much for joining our program today, and see you again next Monday. สวัสดีครับ
RMUTP Roundup.